Ooh. It's Thursday today. Woo! It's so sunny I can like barely see. Trav and I were rehearsing today, and we did some stuff in the studio, tracking some more vocals. Should be very exciting. R.I.P. Damn. Quick fix though. Ooh! Looks kind of sick actually. Trav.
Glasses gang.
Glasses gang. Trav got a new pair of glasses. We're officially the Glasses Band. Going to our favorite place, Starbucks. Fuck you. Gotta get the bean, bro. Inside.
I hate it, bro.
So smart, bro.
Warm up. Warm up never hurts. Okay.
Loving the Glasses band. They're like the smartest band.
I know.
Oh, that's wild.
Do it.
Beef is life.
Fuck, man.
Burners, bud. Burners.
Burners. Feeling out of it a bit, you know?
Yeah, I do that.
Feeling off.
Ugh.
Mars is in retrograde.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I believe that.
I feel that, man.
So good. Do you know what time I was born?
What time you were born?
Yeah.
It's 9:30 a.m.
9:30? Okay, cool. That's all.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Also boiling some water. Water ready? The water's ready! Hey! Life hack. Same tea bag, more hot water. We're laughing again. Starbucks, we don't really support you, but you're like the only coffee place close by. Oh yeah, pizza break.
Oh yeah, I'll go.
Ball is life. Ball is life. The hot water the second time is not as good, I gotta say. Doesn't taste like tea anymore. Still so good.
Sakaku! Hurry up!
called Scorpio Aries. All right, I'll jump into it. Yeah.
Letting go. Deeply in. Letting go. Give it.
Here's a little life hack for you. Always pack an extra shirt. KTV. Woo! And look at this. Oh yeah. Wags is here looking fly as fuck, bro. Hey, got the heinies on deck.
You know Rise?
Got to track some final vocals here. Ooh, look at that happy family on the. Look at them, they're happy.
Yeah, it's been 2 months since I
Look at that. A little bit more. Oh fuck, I missed. Fuck. Knowledge. Woo.
Wow.
It's very tough, and you've been through it anyway.
Yep.
By grinding on your records, but this mic is so good, man.
No! Beat!